Welcome back to my workshop. Now today is something completely different than what I normally do. At the moment I can't do anything because we're in the middle of decorating our kitchen. The workshop is trashed. Let me show you. Yeah, we've got stuff all over the floor here. We've got tools all over the bench. Yeah, up this end it's just a bloody mess. Look. Okay, so what I've decided to do is something else. And what that something else is, it's now October in 2025, and what I want to do is I want to project something spooky and Halloweeny on my window. Okay, this is obviously, we don't normally do Halloween, but this year we've decided to. So what I want to do is I want to get a bit of video footage and I want to project it onto my window so it looks like there's all spooky stuff going on in the house. Okay, I'm going to do this as cheap as possible, so you might be able to do it. You may have some of this stuff. Let's have a look what I've got and how we're going to use it. Right, so what we got to do this with is fairly simple stuff. Apart from this, you may not have this. This is obviously a projector. So I've had this for years. I mean, if you look, look at the dust on there. I mean, it's been years since I've used it, but I've plugged it in and it does work. So I've got a projector. I've got the leads to go with it, an HDMI lead and a power lead. That's all I need for that. Here I've got some of this masking paper or masking plastic. Just buy it from, various DIY stores. I'm going to try and use that as a screen, but you can use a shower curtain. Now I've gone out and bought this plain white shower curtain. Apparently these are great because you can project on one side and see it from the other side. But I'm going to be a cheapskate. I'm going to use this. These literally cost a couple of quid, but I had them anyway. So they're going to be my screen. I've got a power lead here. And my intention is this bit of footage here that's going on my laptop. It's just streaming a YouTube video. So if you just search for Halloween projection, you'll probably come up with this video. I want to project that onto this stuff over the window. Okay, but first of all, out in the workshop here, what I'll do is I'll quickly try and see if it works. Because if it don't, it's a bit of a waste of time. Right, let's set up my projector. Right, so obviously the first thing we've got to do is get some power to my projector. So I've got this really dodgy old extension lead here, which I'm going to plug in. Okay, so I've got some power. Here's the power lead. Plug that in. Plug it in the back. Okay, oh, got a red light. That's a promising start. Let's push it on. Lens cap off so it don't get hot. Oh, it's very noisy. Very noisy. But we're not worried about that. Right, HDMI lead should plug straight into here. And then this other end can go straight into my laptop. Right, set up a quick pretend screen just so I can get it working. Right, so the projector's working. I've just got it projecting onto this old lamp thing I've got here. So that proves the projector's working, the laptop's working, and I can see the video footage. Now remember, this is just streaming off of YouTube, so you can probably do the same. So what we've got to do now is sort out the screen we're going to put over the window. Now this is the stuff I'm going to use. Let's turn the lights back on so you can see. Okay, this is the stuff I'm going to use. Now it's just basically a plastic film with the self-adhesive like masking tape on the end. So the idea is, what we do is we stick this all around the window so we can get it nice and tight. And then when we open it out, like this, okay, this is just a demonstration. We'll get it on the window in a minute. It's a bit sticky. So we hang this on the window and then that can project onto that. And we'll see if we can see it from the other side. Let's just try that. Right, so now I've got a bit of this dangling in the middle of nowhere. It's all a bit dodgy, but this is just to see if it works. Let's see what it looks like from the other side, because that's the side you're going to be able to see from out in the street. Walk down the dark end of the workshop. So there's the back of the screen. Ah, there you go. Right, so it seems to be projecting in the middle of nowhere, but yeah, I think that's going to work. Now, we've got to be careful because obviously the light from the projector here is quite bright. You don't really want that ruining it, so we're going to have to be careful where we position that. Right, so this looks like it's going to work. Let's go and get some proper screen stuck on the window. I'll show you which window we're going to use. Right, so I'm now in my dining room. This is the biggest window we've got out the front, so we're going to use this one. Obviously, we can't do it with the curtains still up, so we've got to take the curtains down and move everything off of the shelf. If I can, I'll put a couple of candles there to give it a bit more so first thing I've got to do is take the net curtains down. Right, it's always when you do something like this, you realise that actually one of your windows has blown. It looks like the double glazing's gone. You're going to have to get a new pane for that. Right, let me sort out my projector material. Well, you might have seen this window before when I did the Christmas window. Last year, year before, whenever it was. Might do this again, if this works, at Christmas. So we can have it as a Christmas window instead of a Halloween window. Right, all I'm going to do is I'm going to stick this along the top, drop it down and then pull it tight and tape it all around the outside. So that should be easy enough, you think? Right, so to get the best effect, what I want this screen to be as tight as possible. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tape it in the corners and down the edges just to pull it all tight. Little tip, if you're using masking tape, why not get one of these? Yeah, just a normal tape dispenser. It makes life so much easier. Right, let's stick some bits of tape on this. Right, I think that'll do. That's quite tight. Obviously the handle's getting away a bit, but we ain't worried about that. Right, next thing is bring the projector in here and figure out where it's going to go. Right, so going a bit handheld here. I've now got my projector right at the other side of the room because it's quite a big projector. It's standing on a pile of Stanley Fatmax and DeWalt toolboxes. And what that's given us is, let me walk around this way. Okay, it's now projecting onto the window. Now you can't see it obviously because we've got the lights on. What we've got to do now is turn the lights off in here and see if we can focus it a little bit better. Right, so that's all focused now. It's projecting on the screen. What I've got to do is turn the lights off in here, but I think I'll also turn the lights off out on the driveway because that might ruin the effect. So I'm going to go and turn those off and then we're going to go outside and see what it looks like. Right, let's turn you around. There you go, look. That's fairly impressive, isn't it? I think that's worked. Right, so that's all working. I think there's another light inside I can turn off, but I think that will do. Happy Halloween!